Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by mountains and dense forests, there were three brothers named Elias, Teo, and Matthias. They were known in the village for their strong family bond, but also for their different personalities. Elias, the eldest, was wise and prudent. Teo, the middle one, was adventurous and impulsive, and Matthias, the youngest, was dreamy and curious. One day, while exploring the forest near their home, the three brothers found an angel trapped in a snare set by hunters. The angel's wings were injured, and its expression showed pain and concern. Moved by the situation, the brothers decided to help. Elias, with all his prudence, suggested that they be careful and approach slowly. Teo, driven by his courage, immediately ran to the angel and began trying to free it from the trap. Finally, Matthias, with his compassion, offered to tend to the angel's wounds after its release. After some joint effort, the brothers managed to free the angel. Grateful for being saved, the angel promised to reward the three brothers. It told them that, for their kindness and cooperation, it would grant each of them one wish. Elias, always thinking of the well-being of his own and others, wished for prosperity for the entire village, so that no one would go hungry or be in need. Teo, with his adventurous spirit, asked for the ability to travel the world without limits. Finally, Matthias, with his dreamy vision, wished for the ability to understand and converse with all creatures. Each wish was granted by the angel with a soft glow. Elias saw his village flourish and grow, bringing happiness to all families. Teo learned to travel without borders, gaining countless experiences and friends along the way. Matthias developed the ability to communicate with animals and plants, understanding the secret wonders of nature. However, more than their individual wishes coming true, the brothers learned that true strength came from their unity and collaboration. Over time, they realized that despite their differences, their abilities were complementary and that together they could overcome any challenge. Thus, the brothers grew and became legends in the village, not only for their achievements, but for the example of unity, kindness, and constant learning they represented to everyone around them. Thus, the story of the three brothers and the angel became a great lesson about brotherly love, cooperation, and the importance of staying true to one's beliefs, always remembering that true magic lies in pure intention and a generous heart.